Hi everyone, this is your teacher Bilal Ahmed. Today we are going to learn statistics. Okay, so this is the unit 4. We are going to look for what is statistics. So first I'm going to tell you we use this word statistics to sort different things. The things have same features or different features, right? So we are going to start from the page 68 on your math learners book, right? And here is the first part. So before we start this, we have to know what is carroll diagram. Okay, what is carroll diagram? So here, can you see the boxes? Here we have the boxes with spots and the box with not spots, right? So means we are going to sort things like the animals have spots. Can you see black spots? Okay, so we will put the animals in the spot section, and the animal who doesn't have spots like the tiger, okay, we have to put not spots, right? So the animals have spots, we have to draw here, and the animals without spots, we have to draw here, right? So I'm going to draw a line, okay? Draw a line to sort the animal. So here is the first, okay, here is a snake, right? So snake got spots in his body, right? So I'm going to drag in the spot section. Look at, sorry, and look at the dog. The dog had spots. We have to sort here. And the cow got spots. Okay, I'm going to write here cow. Okay, and there is, okay, I'm going to match here, right? I'm going to match here because these animals got spots. And look at the tiger and lion. Okay, so this tiger had spots and this is without spots. I'm going to draw here, right? And look at the zebra without strips, sorry, without spots. I'm going to drag here. And look at the cat. Okay, so here we got the spots animals, and the other animals are without spots, right? We could not see any spots in their body. So there are animals got spots. Okay, so in this way you can use the carroll diagram to sort out what things are same and what things are different. So let's move on to the next. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, on page 69, there is a second part. Okay, part 2. Okay, the part 2 is two animals are in the wrong place. Okay, look at this carroll diagram. This carroll diagram, the animals have four legs. We sort here, and the animals not have four legs. We sort here. Okay, so look both columns and check what is the wrong place for the two animals. Okay, draw a ring, draw a circle around them. So guys, look which animal got four legs: lion, tiger, elephant, and giraffe. Okay, so there is a bird got two legs without four legs. This animal's okay without four legs. So the ostrich will be the wrong place because the four legs animals can be insert here. And what animal is not four legs? Okay, not four legs. The hippo should be in the four legs column. So this is the wrong place. All right. So in this way, you can look for four legs and not four legs. So this is the carroll diagram that tells you what animals have four legs and what animals not have four legs. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, first read the question. This is the exercise 4.1, right? And this is the first part on the page 70. So let's look. So use the tally marks to record how many vehicles there are in the picture. How many vehicles in the picture? So use the tally mark. So tally mark that help us to count how many cars in the carroll diagram. This is the carroll diagram. This carroll diagram got vehicles and tally. So how many cars? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cars. I'm going to make tally marks. So let's look how to make the tally marks. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 will be the cross one. Okay, so every 4 you have to put line like a cross one. 5, then add some space. 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 cars in the picture. Let's look the trucks. How many trucks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 will be cross one. Okay, I think you got it the point. Okay, vans. How many vans in the picture? 1 and 2. Just add 2 lines. Buses. How many buses in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 buses in the picture. Let's look at the bikes. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bikes. There should be 3 tally marks. Okay, so in this way you can learn how to put tally marks. So every 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, in this way you can make the 5 tally marks. Okay, let's move on to the next part, question number 2 on the page 71. So Let's read the first question very carefully. 2. A class made a tally chart. Can you see the tally chart below? Yeah, here are the tally marks, okay, and of the vehicle and people, okay. The vehicles are car, bus, bike, and the lorry, okay. And the people here, so they saw passing the school in the morning, right? So you have to write the numbers, right? Because the tally marks are given. So the students made this carroll diagram. Here are the things and here are the tallies, right? So in my left, there are the things like people and the vehicles like car, bus, bike, and lorry. And here are the tally that shows how many people, okay. So here is the 5, here is the 5, here is the 5, and here is 1. So let's read the first part. How many people passed the school? How many people passed the school? Let's look at the people. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. It means 16 people passed the school. B. How many cars passed the school? I'm talking about car in the vehicles. So look, the students made the tally chart. Okay, they record all the tallies. Let's count. Here is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. Then there are no 5, okay. I could not see the cross line, so it should be 26, 27, 28, 29. So 29 cars passed from the school. Sorry, let me check again. Okay, let's count again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And 30 and 4 lines, 34 people, sorry, 34 cars cross the school. See, how many vehicles pass the school? Vehicles mean you have to count all the car, the bus, the bike, and the lorry. Okay, so how many are together? So here's the 5. First, we need to count all the 5s, right? Okay, let's begin. So first we have to count 5 all. Okay, we know there are 30, 30, 30 plus 5, 35, 35 plus 5, 40. Okay, we have 40. Now count the lines that is not the group of 5. Here 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So mean 40 plus 10, it's mean there are 50 vehicles all together. Okay, so in this way you can count and write the numbers for the tally marks. Let's move on to the page 72 and check how many tally bars. Okay, and read the question. Okay, so here is my carroll diagram. In this carroll diagram, there are snacks and tally. So snacks are fruit, cake, crisp, and chocolate. So how many fruits? First look how many fruits. 5 and 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Here is 5 and 1, 6. Here 4. Here 5 and 3, 8. Okay, so let's count how many had fruits. How many had fruits? Look at the fruit. Here is a 5 and 5. 5 plus 5, 10. And 10 plus 4, 14. So we have 14 fruits right here. So how many had cake? Here's a 5 because I can see the group of 5 and 1, 6. How many crisps? 4. Okay. How many chocolates? Here's a 5 and here are 3 lines. 5 plus 3 is 8. Which snack is most common? Most. Okay, look the 4 snacks. Which snack is most common? Most common means like who the people love the most snack in the tally bar. So I can see the fruit is the good snack for people. They like to eat more. So we will say the fruit is the fruit. Okay, Fruit. Okay, which snack is the least common? Least. The few people want to eat the snack. Okay, which snack people want to eat fewer? Not more, fewer, less. So I can see the crisp is the least common snack. So some people, only few people want to eat crisp. So I'm going to write crisp. CRIPS. Here's I, okay? CRIPS. G. How many fewer learners have crisp than fruit? So you have to look. Yes, so you have to read this question. Sorry. How many fewer learners have crisp than fruit? So you have to look for, so there will be 10. Okay, so because here are how many fruits? There are 14 fruits and here is crisp 4. Okay, so how many fewer learners have crisp than fruit? So you have to minus 10 minus 4. Okay, so how many? 10. Only 10 learners they have fruit. Okay, so crisp is only 4. How many more learners have chocolate than cake? So where is the chocolate? Here's a chocolate and here is a cake. So we need to add more. So chocolate is 5 and 3, 8, and here is 6. 8 minus 6. How many altogether? Sorry, how many? 8 minus 6 is 2. Okay, so only 2 learners have chocolate than cake. Okay, so let's move to the next exercise. So first we need to look for, here is my carroll diagram that shows more than 10 and not more than 10. Okay, more than 10 means the number is bigger from 10, and not more than 10 means the number is small from 10. So here is a carroll diagram. Write the numbers in their correct place. Where is the correct place? More than 10, not more than 10 on the diagram. So let's begin. Here, look what number is bigger, more than 14. Sorry, more than 10. So 14 and 18, then 13, 20, 17, 19, 11, 15, 12, and 16. These numbers are more than 10. And look what numbers are not more than 10. So I can see 3, 7, 2, 5, 8, 9, 1, 6, and 4. So here are the red marked numbers are not more than 10. Not more than 10 means less than 10. Okay, let's look here the question number 5. So in the previous unit 2, we learn about the even numbers and odd numbers, right? So even mean the group of 2. The numbers can make the group of 2. And not even means the number is not cannot make group of 2. So let's look at, choose a 10 two-digit numbers less than 50. Write them in the boxes. So guys, you have to write your favorite numbers, but it should be less than 50. And two-digit number, like means I'm going to write here 12. This is a two-digit number, 1 and 2. So, and you have to choose any number from 10 to 50 because 10 is the two-digit number and it should not be bigger from 50. I'm going to write 43, 46, 49. Okay, I'm going to write here 16, 28. Any two-digit number you can write, but it should not be big from 50. Okay, here we go. So guys, look what numbers are even and what numbers are not even. So let's look at the first 12. 12 is even or odd? It's even because 2 can make group of 2. So this is the even number. Sorry, this is more than 20. No, this is not more than 20. It's not big from 20. So not more than 20 mean you have to mention here. Look at the 43. Is 43 even or odd? Because 3 cannot make group of 2 like this. This number is alone. This line is alone. So I'm going to put not even. But this number is big from 20. So I'm going to write here 43. Alright. And look at the 46. 6 is even or odd? The 6 can make group of 2. There's no any line alone. It's mean 46 even, but look, this is the 46 is more than 20 or not more than 20. It's more than 20. I'm going to write here because this is the even number. So in this way, you guys choose all your favorite numbers, right? And write the number if even, write in the box, but look, it's more than 20 or not more than 20. So try it, please. Okay, in question number 4 on page number 74, we have to look for Arun did a survey to see how many of his friends could swim and ride and a bike. So guys, look at this carroll diagram. Arun make the record these lines. Okay, how many boys can swim, how many boys cannot swim, how many boys can ride a bike, and how many boys cannot ride a bike. So let's start. A, children can swim. How many children can swim? Yes, here is the can swim. Let's count. Here's 5 and here is 2. 5 plus 2, 7. And the second part is B. So look, how many children cannot ride a bike? Cannot ride a bike. Here is cannot ride a bike. So only only 4 kids cannot ride a bike. Let me choose the pen. Okay, here we go. So how many children cannot ride a bike? So you have to look for how many children cannot ride a bike. 4 and 5, 9. So 9 kids cannot ride a bike. So how many children cannot swim and cannot ride a bike? Cannot swim and cannot ride a bike. So you have to look for the here cannot ride a bike and cannot ride, cannot swim. So how many there are? So the 5 children cannot swim and cannot ride a bike. Okay, children can swim and can ride. So there are 7 children can swim and ride a bike. Okay, so here in this way you can check how many kids can ride a bike and can swim. Okay, this is 11. Okay, because children can swim, so you have to add them all together. So here is the today's lesson. Thank you so much guys for watching. Have a good day.